Welcome to the Dan's Performance Parts YouTube channel. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our new videos, and feel free to leave a comment below. Dan's Performance Parts is proud to offer Empi's hydraulic single pedal assemblies. This single pedal assembly features a cast aluminum mounting base that is fitted with a high-grade pedal shaft and hardware that will connect the jig-built, chrome-plated pedal arm to the assembly. This aluminum base also provides a solid foundation for the master cylinder connection as well. The master cylinders are made from an aluminum casting and are machined to exact tolerances to make these assemblies work under the most extreme conditions. This single pedal assembly will come with a 3/4-inch bore master cylinder to operate most slave cylinders, calipers, or wheel cylinders. To finish off the master cylinder, Empi chrome plated them to give you that show quality look. The master cylinder will have a built-in deep wall reservoir as well as a chrome-plated lid with a screw-on easy fill cap for easy maintenance. For the hydraulic line connection, it will take a 1/8-inch NPT fitting and is located at the end of the master cylinder. The versatility of the single pedal assemblies allow them to either be floor-mounted or hung from above by just simply rotating the master cylinder 180 degrees on the assembly. If you pair this single pedal assembly with Empi's other single pedal with dual master cylinders, it will give you a complete versatile pedal package that is totally custom for the way you like it. So if you're looking for a quality single pedal assembly for your ride or that new build, this Empi single pedal assembly would be a great choice. Be sure to check out all of Empi's single pedal assemblies at the links listed in the description below. Thanks for watching the Dan's Performance Parts YouTube channel. Please be sure to check out our site at dansperformanceparts.com for our complete line of vintage air-cooled VW parts and accessories. Our specialty is geared towards the Manx-style fiberglass dune buggy, sand rails, Baja bugs, Dragon Street performance cars, as well as kit car vehicles too. Make sure to give us a thumbs up, and please do us a favor by hitting that subscribe button below so you don't miss out on any of our new product releases or how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you real soon.